Local Lifestyles continues.
Jodi and Kevin Farrell are back to talk with us about lots of things, including bathroom remodeling projects that need a tub to be converted.
Yes.
So what am I don't even know what I'm talking about. So,
you sound like you do.
Just say it with authority.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you
well,
so
we're
what do
done
you
here.
mean?
You take it from here.
What do you mean, converting the tub?
A lot of times, you know, when we go into homes, that's one of the main things that they ask for is, can you take this tub out and put a walk-in shower in for me?
Right,
that seems to be one of the most popular things that we do. It helps to keep people independent in their homes. Keeps them in there, you know, longer. And the type of product that we can put in, we can anchor their grab bars wherever they need it. So it's not like
so
a one.
important, isn't it? I mean,
Yes, it
so
is.
central.
You know, and a lot of times, you know, when individuals, when we pull out that tub, it's because they have their mobility compromised. So when we go in and we put in that walk-in shower, they may have a caregiver that helps bathe them. Or where does that person need to hold on to in order to stable themselves in order to care for the person that's in the shower? So that grab bar placement is very important, not just for the person that's taking the shower or, you know, in the facilities themselves, but the person that's also aiding with that.
And does it, for your specs, is it a wheelchair accessible? Is it
We can.
shower chair? Okay.
We can.
We can go anywhere from barrier-free to a 2.5-inch lip to up to a 4-inch.
And when it's barrier-free, that means you can roll
right
Yes.
in there. Yeah,
roll
it's level
right
with
in
the
there.
ground.
So if you go into a house that has those old tubs, the old porcelain tubs, that old squarey blue bathtub.
Yes, we see them a lot. Yes.
So what's the process like getting that out and then making that change?
Loud. Sledgehammer.
It's a sledgehammer.
Take off your
30
head.
minutes and a sledgehammer, and it's in
And
pieces.
not us. We have people that do that. There's no
you
way I
people-
would be
you
in there a
have
lot
people,
longer
don't
than
you?
30 minutes if I had to get a cast iron tub out of a
It's a lot
house.
of
That's
work,
for
isn't it?
sure.
It is a lot of work.
Yes. but
I choose to just eat donuts instead.
That's a good plan. I didn't know that was an option.
It's an option.
It's an option for Kevin. It's
Oh,
an
yeah.
option. It's actually an event for Kevin.
Well, okay,
So-
good to know. So when the bathtub's coming out, Kevin's at the donut parlor, right?
Yeah,
That's
pretty
right.
much.
Box of donuts.
Pretty much.
So you get the tub out once you've beaten it to death, and you put in whatever you always bring different finishes, and so
Yes.
there's lots of options for people.
Well, because of what we put in is custom. So it's not like getting a one-piece system off the shelf at a store and trying to get it in down your hall and set. They're actually almost fabricated on site. So each thing comes in a piece. Each wall is a panel. The base is of a certain size. So if you don't want to go into a full-blown bathroom remodel and don't want to redo your floor, I can get a base that comes out and actually comes to your floor. So that way you don't have any molding strips or toe stoppers or anything like that.
And so the good thing is that we've talked about this a lot. There are a lot of options now.
There are
a lot
Just
of
whatever
options.
your needs are, whatever your tastes are.
Yeah, we give free in-home assessments, so that way we can come out and we can take a look at it and decide this is what it's going to take to make this happen for you, and this is what it's going to cost. It's at no obligation for you to purchase, but it gives us a better idea as to what we're working with.
Good idea. Well, last time you were here, we talked about your friend Glenn, and you were doing a benefit, and that's sort of just expanded. So tell us how he is first and how people can help.
He is a trooper. I mean, he is. He greets us at the door at work with a smile on his face, and I mean, if you didn't know the situation, you know, you wouldn't know any better. But
going through
he's
chemo, right?
Yes,
Right.
and he is doing great. He's definitely a shining star when we walk in the door. That big old smile is contagious. So, but yes, we are hosting a benefit for him. It's on the 9th, and it's at the Sworka Ivy Room. And so we've had great auction items that have been donated. So we've got all the way from a grill and a smoker to we're actually doing a bathroom remodel. So we've got some pretty big items for auction.
Just call the office. I mean,
Yeah,
and if
yes.
you want to donate something, or if you want to just donate
Yeah,
your time.
yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Always
much
good to
for
see
having
you.
us.
Thank you.
Good to see you. We'll be back with more Local Lifestyles right after this message. Stay with us, folks.
This portion of Lifestyles has been sponsored by Home Envy,